In a world driven by noise and chaos, the ability to embrace silence can be a powerful weapon. It is in the quiet moments, away from the clamor of competition and distraction, that clarity and strategy emerge. This is the essence of poker, where the most formidable players understand that sometimes the best move is not to act at all. Picture a bustling casino where the stakes are high and the tension is palpable. In one corner of the room, seasoned players gather around a table, their faces inscrutable, their thoughts hidden beneath a mask of tranquility. Across from them, novices shuffle nervously in their seats, sweat glistening on their brows. The chips stack higher and the game glows with palpable energy, yet amidst this excitement, a profound lesson lies waiting to be uncovered. At the heart of successful poker lies an understanding of its core dynamics. With each variant of the game, players must adapt their strategies based on the specific rules and nuances that govern them. In No Limit Hold'em, for example, players must navigate the landscape of stack sizes, understanding that a deep stack allows for complex play that capitalizes on implied odds. Decision-making shifts dramatically whether one has a small stack or a deep one, revealing a fundamental truth. Success in poker and, by extension, in negotiation, is contingent upon recognizing the terrain and navigating. Similarly, consider the dynamics of pot. Here, strategies pivot on the necessity of drawing hands, where even the strongest starting hand can falter without improvement. The ability to protect your hand while calculating pot odds and execution, mirroring the decision-making processes we face in life. Just as in poker, our choices hinge on balancing risk and potential rewards. The ability to assess when to bet and when to fold, or in life, when to act and when to remain silent, constitutes the backbone of effective strategy. From these observations emerges a powerful lesson, the art of thin value betting. This concept captures the essence of a successful strategy, finding small edges over time rather than waiting for the perfect hand. Players who wait for the nuts or the strongest hand possible often find themselves at a disadvantage. They miss out on countless opportunities that smaller, more frequent decisions can bring. This principle resonates deeply in real life, where seizing daily opportunities for growth and connection sustains long-term success. Embracing thin value allows individuals to foster relationships, refine skills, and make incremental progress. It's a powerful affirmation that while we may not always hold a winning hand, consistency in smaller pursuits accumulates greater rewards over time. The pursuit of perfection may seem appealing, but gambling everything on rare opportunities can prove perilous. Just as in poker, it is the quiet, steady, and continuous efforts that build a robust foundation for success. As we delve deeper, we encounter the delicate balance between bluffing and bluff catching. In life, we often need to project confidence and assertiveness, much like a well-timed bluff. This can open doors, forge alliances, and create opportunities that would otherwise remain closed. Yet beneath this art of demands wisdom, the understanding of when to see who bluffs others. The skill of bluff catching lies in recognizing when someone is overstating their position. It requires a keen sense of intuition and fortitude to challenge perceived narratives and real truths. The dance of bluffing and bluff catching echoes throughout our lives. Too many bluffs lead to skepticism, too many calls can result in missed opportunities. Balance is key. Thus, life unfolds similarly to a poker game. The ability to bluff and catch bluffs brings a judgment and resilience. Another poker lesson emerges, the power of folding, the strategic act of stepping back from an unfavorable situation. Unlike chess, where commitment to the board is unwavering, poker affords the remarkable flexibility to fold at any moment. This act is not a sign of defeat. Rather, it is a calculated decision that allows players to preserve their resources and wait. In poker, folding is a weapon of choice, granting players the power to decide which battles to engage and which to avoid. In many games, relentless engagement is rewarded, but in poker, strategic selectivity wins. By folding, players maintain control and deny opponents value. challenges us to assess our battles wisely, cultivating a practice of folding when necessary to reposition for more advantageous circumstances. As we reflect on these insights, we arrive at a profound realization. Silence is indeed often the most strategic play. In moments of uncertainty and hierarchy, the act of pausing can just as it is stillness, so too can we cultivate moments of quietude to enhance our decision-making prowess. In this high-stakes world, where decisions can shift destinies, we are compelled to consider how we play our own hands. Are we willing to embrace silence as a strategy, recognizing its power to inform our actions? In the game of life, can we master the art of listening to ourselves and to those around us, leading to more profound clarity and better outcomes? The lesson is clear. Whether at the poker table or in the boardroom, silence can be a masterful strategy. A thoughtful pause allows us to assess our positions, weigh our options, and engage with the world not just as participants, but as strategic thinkers. Embrace the silence. It might just lead you to your greatest victories.